Oh boy, Rabbi Drew Barker. I just found my knife that I lost 2 months ago. It was in the boat, slept wet, rusted, solid, garbage. The best knife I ever owned. It was a high-grade carbon steel knife. It was an amazing knife. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I gotta get the stuff out of the truck. Okay. I gotta get the stuff out of the truck. And then Mark. Okay. I gotta get this big rope off the property. Then after I get the big rope off the property, then I can get the stuff out of the back of my truck. Then after I get the stuff out of the back of my truck, then Mark will go to the dump. Then after we go to the dump, Mark and I can put the stainless steel table in my truck. And then I can go tomorrow and do a metal run up to Miami. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock now. Damn, I'm running late. Okay, I only have an hour. I'll load everything that's in the truck and this rope into the boat. I have an hour. Oh, that's not much time. Actually, it's not much time at all. Okay. Okay. Oh, I hate getting old. That's no good. I mean, of all the possible angles, of all the possible ways the plywood could have fell, of all of the different fucking ways it could have fallen, it had to fall the exact way. Oh shit. It had to fall the exact way that would lock up on the rope. If it was a ½ inch different, or an inch different, or an inch and a half different, it wouldn't have locked up, but it wasn't. Oh God. Okay. 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 Now, oh, there was a short chain right there. I don't even need that short chain. Now I have to get in and out of here. Still, one more time. Oh shit. Well, okay. What's the trick? Okay. The trick is the battery is fucking loose. Oh, just what I wanted to do. So now, instead of getting in and out of the fucking truck twice, I'm in and out of the truck 4 fucking times. Oh! And I fell twice. Oh, I'm falling. Okay. I definitely fell down that time. That means I fell twice in 20 minutes. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Alright. Now, what do we do here? Ah! You would think he would talk about not booby trapping the fucking thing. Oh, yeah. That's what it is. A loose battery terminal. Oh yeah, that's what it was. A loose battery terminal. Oh boy. Okay. Now, and I just broke my nail in half. Very nice. Ugh. What do you want? Exactly. You don't want anything. They find it so interesting to see a boat on a bobcat trail. Actually, none of that matters. None of it matters. Because if I have to move it again, I'll just move it again from wherever I am. Okay, this train does not matter. Richie quit. Richie quit this morning at 9 o'clock. He went into one of his goddamn diabetic comas. Was standing there with his thumb up his ass. And I got upset with him because he fucking was looking at me like I had 6 fucking heads. There was garbage all over in front of the gate. And anybody in their right mind, we were working at the gate. So move the goddamn garbage out of the way. No, he didn't do that. What are you doing? Go this way, that way. What are you doing? Going this way or that way? Brian, if you want to come back another time, I'll have time to chat. But right now, I don't even have seconds. Really? Well, I don't know. What's that? Yeah, I'm thinking I'm okay. I don't really know what you could do. I got a guy coming to pick this machine up in an hour, and we have to still go dump it. Yeah, if you want to help me with one thing in the back, I could put you could help me load a small piece of rope like that, about 75 feet of that thick stuff into the bucket. If you want to do something, would you do that? You're going to get dirty, though. Well, it don't have grease, but it is dust. Okay. All right, I'm going to go into the back. You need any of these big bolts? Huh? Okay, before you leave, we'll figure that out. Holy shit. Holy shit. What happened to my chain? I had a chain. I lost the chain. I cleared it out? Yeah, I did. I cleared it out a little bit. I went to the dump about 6 fucking times. No, actually 3. Actually, twice. Oh. I'm gonna back the truck right up to the machine, or something like that. Holy shit! I'm working like a dogged animal, since 7 o'clock this morning. The guy that was working with me went into a diabetic coma, and he was standing there and with his, he didn't know where the fuck he was. And that's the 3rd time it happened this week. So I had to tell him to go. I have the 2nd time, 2 days ago it happened on Sunday. I had the ambulance here for 3 hours. I made a video. It got quite a few hundred hits in just a few hours.
Do you have any of your garage sale videos?
What?
Do you have any videos online on your garage sale?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Well, I have them loaded. I didn't make them public because I shut the internet off 3 days ago. I was spending 3 hours in the middle of the night on the internet futzing around. I needed that time to sleep, so I disconnected the internet. I know it ain't gonna seem like you're doing much, but so just throw that right in the bucket.
All this shit goes
in the bucket? Everything in the bucket. Don't worry about breaking it. Just drop it. Watch your fingers don't get pinched, right? Oh. Watch your fingers. Okay. And now, put this. I know it might not seem like much to you, but I'm gonna tell you something. I'm fucking tired. Here's an end.
Nice rope you're throwing away.
You want it?
No.
You can have it. Watch your fingers. This shit is just because it's a piece of rope don't mean it won't hurt you. Oh, thanks for helping. I probably I sold it. Big money, man. I got $2,200 for it, which is for that boat, you know, with the blown motors and stuff like that. I got actually a good price. I got one. What?
Bunch of red ants.
And not only that, but you know, who the hell could afford $10 a mile for gas? You know what you could do? Pull this truck up about 3 feet. The keys are in it. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, I'll tell you, 2 feet would be good. 2 feet. I didn't know who you were in that truck. Oh, I fell 3 times now. Good. Done. Actually, okay. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh. Wait a second now. Maybe you go back a foot and we flip it in. You want to try to flip it? All right, 1, 2, 3. It ain't heavy to you. Thank you. Okay.
So you're over the garage sailing now, huh?
Am I done with that, you mean? Well, the guy from the consignment shop took everything. Just about everything that's left. You want a half a dozen of those bolts?
Yeah.
Take those with you. Thank you, Brian.
Okay.
If you want to come back tomorrow, I'll be here all day. We could chit-chat sometime. But right now, let's see what else I got to do.
Can I take that screen? Or is that for something?
Yeah, you could have that. That's about, it's stainless steel. You want to get it tomorrow? And we'll put it's stainless steel. It's about, it's a nice, it's a nice fucking piece of screen. I've had that screen for at least 30 years too. So I know it's a high quality stainless. So Now here we get that stainless steel sink on top of the truck. And I gotta get the shit out of the truck. I gotta get the shit out of the truck. I could do that. Make one more load out of the truck. I'll make one more load out of the truck. And then that night. Okay. Oh, that bracket. Oh shit, put it right there. Teak. Okay, put it right there, fuck it. Don't matter, right? Not at all. Doesn't matter. Oh, mahogany. Oak. Oh shit. Almost forgot. We're ready for that. We're ready for that stainless steel sink anyway. Why did I save that?